Hi, I'm John Trischler from Specialty Performance Parts, and today we're going to show you our third segment video on our new bumper mounts for light bars and our universal cross mount to allow you to put multiple lights across it. So you can either put a 40-inch light bar or our cross mount and put multiple pod lights across it. In this video, we're going to talk about Baja designs and some different options that you can put on the cross mount for your Gen 3 Raptor. So let's go ahead and take a look at our first set of lights, the LP6. All right, so we're going to take a look here at our LP6s, and this is Baja Design's 6-inch round lights. The LP6, LP4, and LP9 series all come with an amber backlight. So again, this is a popular feature on many lights, especially used for the Raptor. People like that amber backlight, that kind of parking light feature. The LP6s are very popular because they are very bright. They're over 8,000 lumens. They do have an option for a high beam and a low beam. Most people will just choose the high powered version with the high beam and just omit the low beam because the wiring can get a little bit more complicated if you do want to wire both of them up. They do need to be turned on independently of each other. That's something you can decide if you want to just have the high power all the time. But the LP6s are really cool. They're big lights. They put out a lot of power. We've got 4 of them here. These are the driving combo. They come in a driving combo or a spot, and you can get them with an amber lens or a clear lens. Now we've got a clear lens here with the amber backlight. For harsh conditions, many people will get the amber lens so that you can see in that fog and snow with these lights. Normal driving though, it would kind of look odd driving around with yellow lights when it's clear outside. So, pick your poison. You could do 1 pair of each and use them in different situations. They're very popular for the Raptor, and now you have the ability to put those on the front end. You'll notice the position we have here with these. We have these set out to the left side and the right side, and you can actually move them a little further out if you wanted to. The reason we did this is to clear view for the center camera and the front grille. If you position these lights like that, you'll still have full view for your front camera, and you can still have the bigger lights on here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn on the lights now so you can see how bright they really are. As you can see with this driving combo pattern, you've got a ton of light. Again, with 4 of these, you're gonna be over 30,000 lumens of light output with 4 of these. So it's just an incredible amount of light that you're gonna get from these LP6s. You can get by with 2 of them and be really, really happy. But 4 of them, you're gonna have a ton of light. Our next example, we're going to show you our Baja Designs Squadron Pros on our universal cross mount. We have 8 of them on here now, so that's 4 sets. You can actually get, I would say, 12. Now, you've got enough room for 4 more in the middle. You could actually, these are spread out slightly. You could tighten those up and you could put another 4 in the middle. So these are just examples, but we wanted to show you what the Squadron Pros look like here on our cross mount. The reason we left the center out again is for those of you that are concerned about your front camera, having that center open just like this, you're gonna have clear view through that front camera without having to worry about that. And you can still have 8 Squadron Pros on your bumper mount. Now the Squadrons don't have an amber backlight, so they're just purely gonna be your main powered driving lights or off-road lights, so you're not gonna have that amber backlight. But again, very high powered lights, so they're gonna be a great option for you. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn our lights on now to demonstrate those. And we have a nice mix here of the Squadron Pros in a driving combo. We have 2 sets of those, so 4 total. We have the spot in a pair and the wide cornering in a pair. So this gives you a nice variety of light patterns for a nice full view here to light up the front area of your truck. You can see it just puts out a ton of light with your Squadron Pros. They put out 4,600 lumens each, so you take that times 8 and you're gonna have a ton of power here. All right, so the next series of lights we're going to show you are a combination of the Squadron XL Pros and the XL80s. They're the same size case, but you can get the XL series in a Pro, a Sport, or the XL80. The Sport is going to be around that 3,150, 3,200 lumen count. Your Pro, 4,600, and the XL80s are over 8,000 lumens. We wanted to give you this example here with the XL series lights on the bumper. Many of you probably know that Baja Designs has an XL linkable light bar kit for the bumper of the Gen 3 Raptor, which is a cool kit, but we've had several people ask us about putting the XL80 version or the XL Pro version in those linkable kits, where the linkable kit only comes in the XL Sport. And that's not available. The cases are different and so on. So with this application, you're going to be able to put 8 lights on there, not just 6. But you can also do the XL Pros or the XL80s, which are again well over 8,000 lumens. So you can just imagine if you had 8 over 8,500, I think it's 8,500 or 9,500 lumens in each light. That is just an astonishing amount of light that you're going to get from those lights in this bumper application. So the idea here is that you can put a series or a mixture of lights that you really like and that what you want to do to personalize your truck, and that's what we're going for here. So this is a great application, and it's some examples of the XL Pros and the XL80s mixed here on your front bumper. The other nice thing about this is that by having this slotted cross mount on here, you can move those lights away from the center of the camera to have a better view. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn on our XL series lights so you can see what those look like all lit up. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and visit us at spvparts.com for these light kits and mounting options for your Gen 3 Raptor, Bronco, and other off-road vehicles. And subscribe to the YouTube channel here so you can get notified of all the new products as we come out with them. And we'll see you next time.